Warning, scam alert for nurses and healthcare providers in Pakistan. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am here to discuss a very important and urgent topic that affects our healthcare community. Recently, a scam has been targeting nurses and other healthcare providers in Pakistan, and it's crucial to spread awareness about it. Please watch this video till the end and share it with your colleagues and friends to help prevent this scam from claiming more victims. Here's how the scam works. You might receive a call from an unknown number. The person on the other end will claim to be from the Higher Education Commission, stating that they are updating their system and need to re-verify or testify your documents or degree. They will tell you that they are currently offering this service for free on an institute entry basis, and that if you miss this opportunity, you will have to pay a hefty amount of 30,000 PKR later. This is a tactic to create urgency and pressure you into complying. They will convince you that this reconfirmation or reattestation of your degree is necessary because the system is upgrading. They make it sound very official and urgent. Mahmoud. Next, they will say that a PIN code or an OTP, which stands for one-time password, will be generated and sent to your phone. They will ask you to share this OTP with them so they can proceed with the verification process. Here's the critical part. Sharing this OTP can give them access to your bank account, EasyPay account, Jazz account, or even your WhatsApp. Essentially, you're handing them the keys to your personal information and financial accounts. This is a complete scam. Please do not share any kind of information or OTP whenever you receive such a call. No legitimate organization, including the Higher Education Commission, will ask for sensitive information like OTPs over the phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with as many people as possible to spread awareness about this scam. If you have any questions or if you've encountered a similar scam, please share your experience in the comments below. Stay safe and vigilant. Stay informed, stay safe, subscribe for more updates.